How to add Polkadot to your portfolio on CoinMarketCap app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add Polkadot to your portfolio on CoinMarketCap. Easy and fast. First thing, go to the app. This is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go down and click on your portfolio right here, and it will take you to this page. Now this is my portfolio. As you can see, I don't have the Polkadot. Now if you want to add it, just click on add new asset right here, and it will take you to this page. Now search for Polkadot, and here is it. If you didn't find it, you can search here in this search bar for the Polkadot. Click on it like this. Now choose this USD option and choose the amount of money that you want to invest, for example 150, and click add transaction. Now as you can see, it's added to my portfolio, and here is it right here. Don't forget to like and subscribe.